In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. If you reconciled a transaction by mistake or need to correct a reconciliation, you can reverse it right from the account register. I'll walk you through how to get there and what to look for so you can safely undo only what needs changing. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. From the main dashboard, head to your chart of accounts. Depending on your layout, you might find it under Accounting or Bookkeeping. This is where all your accounts live, including the bank or credit card account you reconciled. Next, locate the specific bank or credit card account you want to adjust, then choose View Register. The register is a running list of transactions for that account. You'll see columns for date, payee, amount, and a status column that indicates whether a transaction is cleared or reconciled. In that status column, look for transactions marked with the letter R. R stands for reconciled. Those are the ones that were included in a completed reconciliation. To undo reconciliation for a transaction, click directly on the R. It will cycle through the statuses, R for reconciled, C for cleared, and a blank state for neither. Change it until the field is blank to fully unreconcile the transaction. After you make the change, confirm or save the adjustment in the register so it sticks. Repeat that for each transaction you need to undo. Take your time and only unreconcile the items that were included by mistake. A helpful tip: use the register's filters or search to find reconciled transactions faster. Filtering by reconciled lets you see just those with an R so you can work through them efficiently. A few best practices while you do this. Keep notes on why you're unreconciling a transaction, especially if you work with a team or an accountant. Be aware that removing an R may change your beginning balance for the next reconciliation, so when you're finished, go back to the reconcile screen and confirm the beginning balance looks right. If it doesn't, review the transactions you changed or run a reconciliation discrepancy report to spot differences. Finally, once corrections are made, re-reconcile the period or the specific transactions with the correct details, matching them to your bank statement. If you need to undo an entire reconciliation for a period in one go, that typically requires accountant access, so coordinate with your accounting professional if that applies. That's it. Open QuickBooks, go to Chart of Accounts, view the register, and click the R to clear any transactions that shouldn't be reconciled.